Hey there guys, Jose here with Aurum Roofing at aurumroofing.com, the gold standard in roofing. Today we have prepared a how-to roof repair wind damage video for you. So if your roof looks like this, please stick around because I am here to help you fix your roof today. But before we get started, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel because we provide you with valuable roofing insights and roofing information for all your roofing needs. These are the 6 items that you will need to complete this roof repair. I will also include this in the description below, along with every step, minute per minute, for you to use as a reference on your own home. As you can see, I went ahead and labeled rows 1, 2, and 3. This is the area that we will be working on today. Regardless the size of the project, these same rules apply whether you have 1 or 10 missing shingles. Step number 1, because we are reusing the shingle, carefully break the tab seals on row number 3 using your flat bar. Regardless the size of the damage, always start 2 rows above the needed work area. Step number 2, we are also reusing the shingle, so carefully break the tab seals on row number 2, 1 row above the work area. Step 3, make sure you pull all the nails from rows 1 and 2 using your flat bar. This now leads us into step number 4. You know that you pulled all the correct nails if the damaged shingle easily slides out. If it does not, double check for any left nails that are still holding that shingle. Step number 5, now that you pulled out the damaged area, double check one more time for any leftover nails, staples, or caps. Step number 6, make sure you have a clean, smooth surface to allow for an easy shingle insert. If you feel the shingle is being stopped somewhere, it means that there is a nail somewhere there that's stopping you, so make sure you pull that nail out to allow for an easy shingle insert. Once the shingle is in, line up the new shingle to the existing shingles, corners to corners. Make sure they are in line with the existing roof. Step number 7, using 4 nails, nail down row number 1, your new shingle. Where you see me pointing, directly above those lines is where you want your nail to be installed. Step number 8, again, use 4 nails to nail down row number 2. Because row number 2 is an old shingle, make sure to not install your new nails on those old nail holes. Make a new nail hole. That way we know the shingle is properly holding on to itself. Step number 9, make sure you installed all needed nails from rows 1 and 2. Step number 10, remember the seals we broke from rows 2 and 3? Well, guess what? Now we have to reseal these rows to keep them from flapping or blowing off with high winds. Make sure to apply seal also where the old nail holes were or any holes on the existing shingles. This way you could prevent a roof leak. One thing I want you to notice is the level on my caulk gun. I am not applying a lot of seal, just enough dabs to cover the existing nail holes or to keep the shingles from flapping. Step number 11, seal down row number 1 or your new shingles. This is what separates a professional from an amateur. This is what I've noticed from other YouTubers that they do not show you or explain to you. Obviously, row 1 was a broken shingle to begin with, which means that the shingle right under that seal did not work and was broken, which is obviously why the shingle from row number 1 blew off. So if you don't want to find yourself redoing that same shingle, make sure to seal down row number 1 so that way the problem is set and fixed for good. Once you are done applying seals on rows 1, 2, and 3, gently just press down all the work area. That way you know that your seal is making proper contact as it should be. Well, all right, guys, that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Those were the 12 easy steps for you to follow. I hope this helped. Please feel free to comment below with any questions or concerns, or if you have a how-to video that you would like me to make for you, please also comment below, and we will see you guys on the next one. Thank you.